In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list of contacts from a HubSpot campaign. This process will guide you through organizing and managing your contacts effectively, ensuring you get the most out of your marketing efforts. First, let's head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL hubspot.com. This brings you to the familiar homepage brimming with resources and tools to empower your business. Now let's locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll first need to sign up, but assuming you've already done that, we'll move on after signing in. Once you're inside the HubSpot home interface, look over to the horizontal menu where you'll find various tabs like Contacts, Marketing, Sales, and more. For our task today, focus on the Marketing tab. A click here will reveal a drop-down menu of options. Our destination is the Forms section. This option allows you to manage and sort all forms associated with your marketing campaigns. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to a page displaying all the forms you've created within HubSpot. Scrolling through the list of forms, identify the specific form tied to the campaign you want to extract contacts from. Select this form by clicking on it, which should bring you to the form's comprehensive data page, including submissions and performance analytics. Once at the specific form page, we need to look for an Actions button. This button typically sits at the top or in a strategic location around the form's analytics overview. Clicking on Actions presents you with another drop-down menu. That's how HubSpot keeps the interface clean and user-friendly. From this menu, one of the critical options to select is Create List of Contacts. Selecting this will initiate the process of compiling all contacts who have interacted with your selected form. HubSpot provides a clear path here, ensuring you capture the data you're after without getting sidetracked by less important details. Finally, after double-checking your selections, proceed by clicking Create List. This final step consolidates your desired data into a list that you can use for further marketing strategies. Whether you're looking to retarget specific customer segments or analyze how different demographics interact with your campaigns, this organized list of contacts will now be at your fingertips. And that's it, you've successfully created a contact list from a HubSpot campaign form. With these contacts now neatly compiled into a handy list, you're prepared to engage your audience more effectively. Remember, keeping track of your contacts helps build better strategies and ultimately stronger relationships. If this guide has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy marketing!